Good morning, YouTubers, and welcome to my channel. You'll notice we're getting started a little bit later today. It's already breaking day. I'm doing this because I'm not going very far today, and I want to have some daylight when we get there. All right, well, let's start with today's Bible verse, which is out of Galatians chapter 5, verse 22, which says, "But the fruit of the Spirit is love, joy, peace, patience, kindness, goodness, faithfulness, gentleness, self-control. Against such things there is no law." This is from the epistles or letters of Paul, who's describing what our lives should exhibit when we have God's Spirit living within us. I hope each of you is experiencing these fruits of the Spirit, and I hope and pray that each of you knows Jesus as your personal Savior. All right, let's get going. For today's adventure, we're going to be going to Cedar Ridge Nature Preserve. This is a nature preserve area located here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area, just south of I-20 off Mountain Creek Parkway. It's about 10 miles from my home, so we won't be traveling very far today. Hoping to see some bluebonnets when we get there and get some bluebonnet pics and photos. I'm sure most everyone watching this video has already heard about it, but I'll go ahead and mention it here. The big news that I've heard this week is from DFW Honda Power Sports, premier Honda motorcycle dealer here in the Dallas-Fort Worth area. They're having a contest and will be giving away a brand new 2025 Goldwing. Not only is this a brand new Goldwing, but it's being further customized by the famous Cruise Man, who's adding all kinds of accessories to it even right now, getting it ready for the giveaway, which will be held at DFW Honda Power Sports on May 31st. You do not have to be present to win. You can simply fill out a form online. I'll put a link below in the information so that you can register for this if you're not already registered. Sounds like a great deal to me. They're giving away the gold colored one. I think it's going to be really exciting. Hoping to be able to go out there that Saturday and actually be present in person to watch all the excitement. All right, well, it's a nice Saturday morning. Temp on the bike 60 degrees. Current mileage is 22,783 miles on my bike. Been having some beautiful spring weather here recently. Today's high is supposed to be in the mid-80s later on today. Then tomorrow's supposed to get up around 90 and then cool back down for highs in the 70s later this week. All the trees have leafed out. The grass is green. Getting off here on Mountain Creek Parkway, going to go south a little ways. All right, I like that from that truck. He's going to go a different direction from what I do up here. Dallas Baptist University is to the left, also DFW National Cemetery, both off to the left just a little ways. Been a while since I've been out here. I have been out to the nature preserve in the past. Several miles of hiking trails out here. One of those trails is called the Bluebonnet Trail. The entrance right up here, we're going to turn right and go in. Okay, great. That's my spot. Thank you. Okay, will do. Looks like they got some special motorcycle parking over here. All right. Can't beat that. Okay, then here we are at the Cedar Ridge Nature Preserve. Parking lot's full this morning. Bike behind me right there. All right, let's go for a hike, see if we can find some bluebonnets. There we go, Bluebonnet Trail, 1 mile loop. It's my opinion that the Cedar Ridge Nature Preserve contains the best trails that are closest to my house. Out here you can't tell that you're still in the Dallas-Fort Worth Metroplex area. Here's the observation tower. Let's go up there and maybe take a look around. Should be an interesting sight for a 360 shot up here. Yep, there's Lake Joe Pool off to the west. I believe that's State Highway 1161. You can see some houses down there. Sunrise behind us. Just a beautiful spring morning out this morning.
Morning.
Good morning.
Good morning.
Great view from up there. You can see all the way over to Joe Pool Lake.
All right.
Yeah. Cactus there. Sign, bluebonnets grow by the inch but die by your foot. Just beautiful bluebonnets. This is my favorite time of year and one of my favorite places around here.